Hi guys, welcome to Learners. Today we are going to see about top front-end frameworks to learn in 2021, powered by Layers. It is that time of the year to revisit what is going on in JavaScript front-end framework world. It is consistently changing world with new frameworks showing up very often. But the last year have been consistent with frameworks like React, Vue and Angular. Let's dive into what's going on now and the future of JavaScript front-end framework. So number one, React, top the list. React has continued to rise in popularity over the years and has been consistently ranked as the most used and favorite JavaScript library for building front-end applications. For the fifth year in a row in the State of JavaScript survey, React has ranked as the most used JavaScript library for building front-end applications. Over 80% of the respondents voted for React as the most used library. This shows a steady increase in the adoption of React over the years. So, what's new in React in 2021? Latest React features and road ahead. React hooks. This is the biggest addition to React in the past year. Many development teams have adopted hooks in their code base now. Hooks have made learning React easier and helps in writing functional React components without the use of classes. And React Dev Tools. The React Dev Tools are awesome and super useful during the development and debugging. React recently released a new and upgraded version of the React Dev Tools. With this release, it is available across Chrome, Firefox and Edge. This new version has significant performance gain and an improved navigation experience. Finally, React Concurrent Mode and Suspension. This is still an experimental release and we hope it will be a stable release sometimes in 2021. Concurrent Mode is a set of new features that help React apps stay responsive and graceful, adjust to the user's device capability and network speed. If you are a React developer, your job prospects are going to be highest in the front-end developer market. With the rising popularity of React, many enterprise companies are always moving towards rewriting their front-end using React. This is going to create plenty of jobs for React developers. In the mobile world also, React is trending with the availability of React Native. The benefit of knowing React can be translated to both web development and mobile development jobs. Next, Vue.js, a second close one. Vue has been making an impact in the front-end development world very since it was released. It has all the good aspects of both React and Angular, making it a unique framework. The adoption of Vue has been steadily increasing over the years. 41.7% of developers have said that they have used Vue and would use it again, with another 31.3% interested in learning it. The use of Vue as a mainstream front-end framework has been steadily increasing and developers also like using it. It is ranked second today next to only React. Furthermore, the learning curve with Vue is a lot lesser than some of the other framework and libraries. If you already know JavaScript, HTML and CSS, it is very easy to start building Vue apps. So Vue's latest features, Vue 3 Core was officially released in September 2020. This is a stable release with the following updates. Comparing to last version, it is faster, smaller, maintainable and easier to target native. This is a big win for Vue last year. Functional components like React hooks. Vue is also inspired by the React hooks concept and allowed their own way to encapsulate logic into functional component and reuse the component across the code. This provides higher flexibility and scalability to Vue apps. Finally, AngularJS, declining trend. Angular is still one of the top front-end JavaScript frameworks and is used by plenty of companies. But every year, the interest and satisfaction among developers using Angular has been on a decline. You may ask why it is then ranked as third. Well, although developers have declined interest in Angular, it has been widely adopted in the last few years. Angular is the second most used front-end framework in the world and you can still find plenty of jobs if you are an Angular developer. The hope is that Angular framework moves towards flexibility and better developer experience to retain their market share in the front-end framework scene. Well, that's a wrap. I like to drive home a point that frameworks, libraries, and tools are continuously evolving. What may be trending today may be declining in a few years. Your expertise as a developer should not be just based on mastering a single framework. It comes with strong foundations. All these frameworks are built on top of JavaScript. In addition to the programming language and its mastery, design and architecture plays a very important role. Learning the skills that won't ever lose its value. Learning design principle, algorithm, architectural pattern, clean coding methods, and general coding practices, these will come a long way in your career. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again with more videos. If you like the video, do not forget to share it with your network. You can subscribe to learn us for more updates.